The wind is whispering. What is it saying? It is saying, "Me hate Selena Gomez and One Direction." You see, many people hate them. Even Tweety. Did you saw her? Let's replay. Hi guys! So, I hate One Direction and Selena Gomez. Let's replay it again. Hello guys! I hate One Directions and Selena Gomez. You see that? Many of people in the world hate them. Even Taylor Swift, Justin Bieber, but I like them, you know. So, the wind is whispering because they hate One Direction and Selena Gomez. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are with me, and don't subscribe if you hate me. You know that. I know there are many Selenators and Directioners, but I really hate them. So, sorry. I just hate them. You know. So, subscribe if you like me. Don't just don't subscribe if you don't like me. It's okay with me. So, bye-bye. This is the end. Remember, the wind is whispering. Bye-bye.